have reached the ultimate goal of any psychological study. We don't just care about the 50 people we tested, we care about what they tell us about humans in general. It is the bridge that allows us to apply findings from a small sample to the entire target population. External validity refers to whether the findings of a study can be applied to other people, settings, or times. A study may reproduce accurate results, but only for the specific sample study. This may mean low external validity. Now compare this with the internal validity, which X is the study measuring what it claims to measure. So simply put, internal validity is about accuracy within the study. External is about whether the findings can be generalized beyond the study. Both are important, but they define different questions.
Now, let's look at a classic mistake. Imagine studying motivation to exercise using 20 volunteer psychology students from one university. If you conclude that all the young adults are highly motivated, you'll fail the test because those students do not present the whole population of young adults. Now compare that to a study using a large diverse sample selected through stratified sampling. We can now have a genuine confidence applying these findings to a wider group because our sample actually looks like the population. To summarize generalizability, it depends on three pillars. Sampling method. Random and stratified method increases it. Sampling bias. Issues like volunteer bias decreases it. External validity. Essentially, generalizability is a practical application for external validity. Whether we use primary or secondary data, or random or stratified sampling, the goal is always the same: to gather evidence that is valid, unbiased, and representative of the human experience. Great psychology doesn't happen by accident. It starts with vigorous ethical designs. As you move forward in your studies, use this checklist to evaluate any research you encounter. Design: is the sample representative? Execute: is the data qualitative or quantitative? Evaluate: is it reliable and valid? Ethics: were the participants' rights protected? Good research is delicate, balance between scientific rigor and human empathy. Thank you.